Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate the exact process of mirroring boards within your Monday.com workspace. To begin, simply open your primary board. To enable mirroring on this specific board, you first need to add a new column. Navigate over to the More Columns menu and select the Connect Boards option. Click Add to Board, and then choose the specific boards you wish to link together. After making your selection, simply click on the Connect Boards button. Now you should create a mirror column to display the data. If you don't see this option immediately, click the plus icon and go to More Columns again. Scroll down the list until you find the mirror button right there. Once it is active, click on Settings and select Customize Mirror Column to modify the settings to your liking. You can pull information such as the status or group from your connected board or even start the process from scratch. It really is that straightforward. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. I will see you in the next guide.